Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Subaru Forester key fob battery. First, ensure you have the correct CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. This is where we will begin the process of carefully opening the casing to access the old battery. With your small flathead screwdriver, gently insert the tip into the notch you located. Apply a slight twisting motion to carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time and be gentle to avoid scratching or breaking the plastic casing. The goal is to create a small gap, allowing you to fully separate the pieces. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick note of which side is facing up, usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Don't forget to check the description for links to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Finally, test your key fob with your Subaru Forester to ensure it's working perfectly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.